So today I'm reviewing this moisturizer. It's by Coeternal. I think I said that right. And it's a calming hydration cream. This is how it looks. The brand was able to give it to me, and I'm gonna be giving my full opinion on it. But this is like the consistency as you see here. It's very creamy and calming, and I have redness. This is perfect. Like my face is hot right now, and instantly it's like cooling my skin, which I really appreciate because like I always have my face always has more heat than normal. And it feels so nice. Let's see, it's for redness prone and oily skin, which I said I do have. What else? It has Ceramide NP, Niacinamide, Panthenol, and Centella. And yeah, for everything that it helps with, it's really nice. I just want to show you guys up close the product, and it lasts 12 months like usual. You use it your last skincare routine, the last step. And let's see, gently massage into skin to fully absorb, and layer with their intensive cream for additional hydration as desired. So yeah, I definitely love it. I'm gonna be using it because it really did help calm down like the heat and redness that I had. Hi, I go under the name of Sweet Dream, and I do review videos for fun. I review products that I'm gonna be using in my own house or for myself, that whether that be skincare or anything like that, and or if it's gonna be for a family member that I want to give it to. Just letting you know, some of these products I review, it's either between I bought the product myself or the product was gifted to me by the brand. I'm just letting you know so you're self-aware. And then the link down below takes you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate. So if you purchase through my link, I may get a commission at no cost to you. So I'm just letting you know so you're aware of that. And that link does take you straight to Amazon if you're on the phone and you click on it, it's going to take you straight to if you have the app downloaded on Amazon, it's going to take you straight there. And like I said, I just review stuff for fun, and I'm really grateful for doing this. If you want to see more, I do post as much as I can, and just like and follow and subscribe.